Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 6 English. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Okay बच्चे, we studied about paintings, pictures, dramas, play, poetry. Okay, today we will learn activity 9. We have read about painting, poetry and plays. Music is also art. From activity 1, we started our chapter Many Kinds of Art. In that art, we understand about 7 types of art. Out of that, music is also art. Let's read some idioms about music. Idioms are groups of words that have specific meaning that is different from the ordinary meaning of each separate word. The best way to understand idiom is to listen and observe how they are used in different ways. So below they given some idioms. Think about these sentences that use the idiom. Blow your own horn. We all know you are the best student in the class. There is no need to blow your own horn. Shima says she finds it difficult to blow her own horn because she is a very shy person. I don't want to sit near Rahul at the party. He is always blowing his own horn. I don't want to sit near Rahul at the party. He is always blowing his own horn. What do you think blow your own horn means? I am so happy to hear that. You are all so well. It's music to my ears. Now we go as per that answer. What do you think blow your own horn means? To blow your own horn means to praise your own abilities and achievements. We have to spread our own abilities and achievements, whatever we got achieved. Okay? So next, think about these sentences that use the idiom music to your ears. I am so happy to hear that you are all so well. It's music to my ears. Oh, Smita, you are so sweet. I must admit that your words are music to my ears. The accused man said it was music to his ears when the judge said not guilty. So, out of that 3 idioms, what do you think music to your ears means? Music to your ears means news or information that you are very pleased to hear. Properly listen. Whatever that news and information. Think about these sentences that use the idiom for a song. He bought his house for a song 2 years ago. I thought I was getting the gems for a song, but I was actually paying too much. This is one of my favorite piece of furniture and I got it for a song in a trade fair. What do you think for a song means? So each and every idioms from this sentence we have to clarify. What do you think? For a song means very cheaply at a low price. Do you know cheap? Costly. Cheap means very low price and costly means very high price. So what do you think for a song means? Very cheaply at a low price. Okay, I hope you understand this activity 9 about music. And on this music we understood about idioms. Okay बच्चे, I send PDF of additional question answer of activity 6-7. Write down in your notebook each and every PDF of notes very important for you as a homework you finish in your fair book. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.